Superman was at the top, both cars racing and was forward only. When they rebuilt it, one car goes forward, one backward.
The hill, everybody is talking about. Goes in between the hill, huh?
Yep.
Right now we're at 346 feet. Yeah, the tower itself it goes up to 286. Yeah, no, we can't go up to that top. Yeah, that's just the actual top of the tower where the flag is. Yeah, Superman itself is 450 feet. It's technically higher, but we're on the top of the mountain, so we're about level with him.
I saw the roller coaster that they were going on.
Yeah, Superman has a tent. Yeah, Lex Luthor on the side picks you up.
I did draw.
You did that? That one's scary.
I kept my eyes closed, and then I was like, what am I doing? But I did it, and then, like,
It's only half a parking, not even half. Slow to me.
Just so you guys know, he's going down. It's going to be about 6 minutes till he's back up. You guys can stay up here as long as you guys want.
We're getting back?
Yeah. No, to the next
Next
one.
time?
Yeah, the next one. 5 minutes.